Where's Kaylee? Kaylee Catherine. Where are you? There she is! Where's Kaylee? There she is! Oh no, it's Kaylee! Again? There's Kaylee! There she is! Nope, you're a little too tall to stand up in there. I'm sorry.
All done with your apple toy?
Your apple tomato. Can you go put it in your kitchen?